Hello and welcome back to Culinary Haven. Today we're making mushroom salad. It's a very easy to make and delicious, colorful dish which everybody likes. It can be an excellent dish for lunch, or if you're vegetarian, it could be even your main course for dinner. Anyway, let's begin. So I'm using 250 grams of close button mushrooms, cleaned and sliced in half. In 2 minutes, the onions nicely golden brown, and now we're going to squeeze a clove of garlic directly onto the pan. Just cook it for a few seconds. And that's it. That's it. Switch it off. Bring the mushrooms back. Stir it all together. So the mushrooms are completely cooked. The onions are cooked enough to still have the texture, but they're not bitter. And the pepper and the carrot are still crunchy. Done. Transfer the salad into a large bowl so it cools down, and just let it cool until it's warm. This salad is excellent either warm or cold. Thank you for watching this episode of Culinary Haven. Please like, comment and subscribe. And until next time, bye!